welcome to UK Lockpickers and welcome to our ultimate padlock kit. Right, we have managed to get quite a few sets of these made. Well, as when we advertised this product, it went insane. So I did actually have to take it out of the shop to catch up a bit. But for the customers that's already bought our present set, this is what we've come up with, and we will be changing this as well. We've got other ideas, and we're also getting these manufactured and made. I do like this idea. Hexagon. You just know how much turns you're putting on. So I do like that idea, and we are getting them manufactured. Right, I'll just show you what's in one of these kits. You get the let's have a look. We get the 440, the 660, the casp, and the Silverline tension tool. Yeah, this fits. Things like the Silverline fits very well. Highly polished as well, as you can see. And we've also put a black handle on here and a grub screw. So it fits the Silverline, as you've just seen. It fits the casp, just perfect. The Squire 440, you're not going to be able to see, but it just catches that bolt just perfect. The only thing we have running problems with is this 50mm padlock, and the reason why is because the levers, you can't see with this foam, but the levers are too tight up against the lock body, and a 2.5mm just doesn't, well, it just scrapes around there, but it's gonna make you pick two levers at a time because it's so tight in there. You're then putting your pick in, it's lifting them, but it's lifting, as you can see there, two at a time. So we did run into problems with the unbranded padlocks. So let's just put that to one side. You also get a tension tool, and this fits the ERA, Yale, secure it, and we'll just demonstrate our overlifter on this. There you go, that's one, and then I'll just show you that it is closed. We'll then take another tension tool out of another box, take that overlifter, there you go, open. It is just like having the key with these overlifters. They are absolutely brilliant. And what you have to do sometimes, what will happen is, right, we'll just take these out, we'll try locking it back up, and you can see it doesn't lock back up. Well, that one has this time. So we have problems with this lock. Now we've overlifted it, and you think you broke it. So what you have to do, you just get your overlifter and you put it in on the right side and just shoot all them levers back over. And then it should work back with the key. You do have to keep giving it a mess about. It does help if you know you've got the right keys for the lock as well. But there you go. And also there's a bar there. You can also get a wire and you can pull this back. This is on your bolt. You can pull this back and that will then, I'll show you on this one. We'll see if this locks back up. No. So as I was saying, you just get something to poke in here and just pull that bar back out, and there you go. That's your secure it back working. So what else do we have in this kit? We have got the tension tool, what I've just demonstrated. You'll get a small wire, highly polished. You'll get a wire for the right side. As you can see, it's all highly polished, and we've coloured this yellow in some plastic dip, so you know this is your one for your right side. That's your overlifter. Like I say, you've got high and low wires, and you've also got your tension tool for the casp, the silver line, the 440 and the 660. And we'll just demonstrate, I think, this casp with one of the wires. And there you go. So we'll also throw in, for the time being, one of these Silverline brand new padlocks, and we'll add that to the kit while stock lasts, because we have had lots of sales for these, and I think we're going to get lots more now that I'm putting it back in the shop. So you can see that we've tested all the wires. We've got one of these levers, and none of these picks are any thicker than the levers, so you always know that you're going to be picking one lever at a time, and this is why we've cut all our locks up to test them. You can see, just picks one at a time. And that's our ultimate padlock kit, now back in stock. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.